Content of the video. In the last video I showed you how to set up a general shopware configuration in the main shopware configuration file placed in the root directory. Sometimes you may want to have different configurations and switch between them easily. So now I'm going to show you how to accomplish this by creating a specific dev configuration file and set up shopware or tell shopware to use this dev configuration file. So I'm going to the root directory and creating a new file called config_dev.php. And I want to put all of my contents from the config.php in there. So I'm just going to copy everything, place it in the other file. And I also want to have the default or the main config.php to be my default configuration. And I want all the dev stuff to be in the config_dev.php, just to have this a bit more clean. Now the last thing we have to do is enable the dev configuration or tell shopware to use it. So you can do this in several ways. I'm going to open the htaccess file, and you see in line 37 it says set env shopware env dev. So what this line does, I'm just going to comment it in right here. What this line does is it sets an environment variable with the name shopware_env and sets it to dev. So shopware will look, in case this variable is set, shopware will look for a config underscore and then the value of this variable .php file, and automatically set up the usage of this dedicated configuration file instead of using the normal config.php. So yeah, as I set up this dev variable here, which you could also do in the server configuration, shopware now is using my config_dev file, and as soon as I deploy this whole folder to another system, and without deploying the htaccess obviously, shopware will still use the default config.php, so you don't have to worry about deploying some development configuration to your live system if you got that right in the first place.